Welcome back to Two-Way Radio Shop. My name's Neve and I'm wearing my PPE today because we're going to be doing a durability test. We are going to be drop testing the Hytera PD705 LT. So if you didn't already know, we offer a short-term hire rental service of our radios, and one of the radios that we give out a lot is this device. So we just want to test how well it'll withstand being dropped. My lovely assistant Harry is in the office. He has got another one of these radios so that I can radio him and show you that the radio is still working. Hi Harry, I'm just checking that the radio is working.
Hi Neve, the radio is working.
There we go. So we can go ahead and start the first drop. The first drop that we're going to be doing today is going to be about waist height. This is meant to mimic a situation where your radio might be like clipped onto your belt clip, and if you were walking around it could take a tumble. Obviously I'm only 5'3", so we can't really do it from our waist height because it would be extremely unfair. So I've measured a couple of the men in the office and their waist was about 105 centimetres. So sorry, I've got that set to 105 centimetres. I'm just going to run the camera back so that you can see the drop, and then we're going to test it. Hi Harry, is the radio still working?
Hi Neve, the radio is still working, yes.
Drop number 2 is going to be from approximately 6 foot. This is to mimic a situation where it might be dropped from a shelving unit or a storage unit, or if you're about 6 foot tall and you were talking like this and accidentally dropped the radio, then it'll be able to show if the radio would hold up through that. Hi Harry, I'm just checking that the radio is working before drop 2.
Hi Neve, the radio is working.
So I'm just going to measure out 6 foot on the tape measure. Hi Harry, I'm just checking that the radio is working after drop 2.
Hi Neve, the radio is working.
For drop number 3, I'm going to go and get one of my assistants from the workshop in the garage, and they're going to climb up a ladder and drop it from approximately 10 feet. Obviously we're not meant to be dropping it from this height, but this is just for educational reasons, to see if it would survive being dropped from like a crane or someone working on scaffolding or something like that. So I'm going to test the radio now, and then I'm going to move the camera back and get the ladder out, etc. Hi Harry, I'm just checking that the radio is working before test 3.
Hi, the radio is working, Neve.
I'm just going to measure out quickly 10 foot on the tape measure. Like I said, this is very extreme. They aren't meant to be dropped from this kind of height. 1. Hi Harry, I just want to check if the radio is still working.
Hi Neve, I can confirm that the radio is still working.
That's the end of today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If there's anything else that you'd like to see us do on the channel, please let us know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel if you like educational and sometimes entertaining two-way radio content.